Well, that's no good, I can't see you. Right then, this is Mark recording. Over and out.
Hello, it's McRob here, and I've got McMark on the camera.
Hello guys.
And you might notice we're over at Mark's house today.
Without the board though behind you.
Without the board, don't matter, don't matter.
Don't matter because we're not looking at
No.
the scenery, are we?
No.
We're looking at that you've got there.
We're here for another unboxing.
Not another unboxing.
Yeah, and it's the Tamiya QuirkHopper.
Look at the size of that box.
GF-02.
It is 4-wheel drive.
It is. 4-wheel steer if you want to as well, apparently.
Yeah, right.
And yeah, it's the GF-02 if I haven't already mentioned that.
No, I don't think you have.
So, let's get the lid off, dude.
Lid off, Rob.
Oh, it's stuck. Oh, there we go. And something new.
Yeah.
They've stapled the box together, not glued it.
Right. Are you going to make me stand up now, Rob?
Yeah,
With my broken foot?
Yeah. That's why we're over at Mark's, is because he's got an injured foot.
Yeah, my son ran a 50 mile an hour RC car into my foot. The little so-and-so. Right then, Rob,
right.
I've got you. Hello.
You've got me. Hello.
Right, let's get into the meat of this then.
Yes.
He's got a tin of paint.
I've got a tin of black metallic paint.
Yeah, right. Metallic
I've got
black.
an ESC kindly sent to us from Dave in Sheffield.
Dave in Sheffield, cheers mate. He sent us both one of these ESCs to try. So,
so we'll try that.
60 amp brushed.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dave.
M-Tronics, is it M-Tronics? E-Tronics?
Oh, is that the one I've been buying? The
probably
metal
15,
gears.
Yeah.
15 kilogram. They're good, Rob. They're really good.
Me receiver.
He's got a receiver.
Right. First things first. Lead's body.
It's a big one, isn't it?
It is a long body, yeah.
Well, what's that thing at the end?
This is something that I'm not too sure about. Something about the
like
nose
headlights.
cone.
Yeah.
And, headlight buckets.
That's weird, isn't it? Having it separate from the front of the car itself.
Yeah. But hey, we'll find out when we get building it.
Yeah.
Yep, save that.
Save them.
Yeah.
I wonder why.
Oof. I quite like this yellow, dude.
It's like a neon yellow, isn't it?
It is, yeah. I don't normally like yellow mainly, but hey, they are lovely.
They are lovely.
And then we've got bags of bits with, stuff. I'm not going to open it too much.
Plastic bags with bits.
Lots of bits. And even more bits.
God, there's loads of plastic parts on those trees, isn't there?
Yeah. And this is the chassis.
Chassis.
Which is a lot longer than the GF-01.
Oh, yeah.
And it's almost the same, but not quite the same, as the G601 Conghead.
Stop waving it around, dude.
Sorry. Gotta help it, I'm talking.
You're supposed to be showing the people the parts.
So there we go.
He's getting excited, guys.
As usual.
Always get excited with the new Tamiya kit, don't we?
Lots of suspension bits,
Those
I think.
are the arm links, aren't they? Arms.
2 bags of them.
What's that? Shock parts?
Yeah.
Yep.
And I can't believe how many gears there are.
Oh yeah, there's going to be.
I mean,
it's gear driven, is it? Completely all the way through.
Look at that. For the bearings.
What's that? 10 in
3 full packs.
30
plus
40 bearings, maybe.
2 850s and some tiny little ones.
Wow. That's for the steering, isn't it? I think.
Yes.
Could be wrong. We'll say that. Could be wrong. What's he got here?
Even more gears.
Oh my God.
It's going to be fun. Ooh. I think that must have been, oh no, that was the other thing. So, steering battery.
Battery strap.
Wheel hubs.
Hexes.
Hexes, that's the word, thank you. Pete Wiley, Wibbly Wobbly.
Wobbly. Hi, Pete. He said he likes it when we say his name. We're wobbling. The Wibbly.
Yeah.
Parts bags.
Big bag of metal parts. And
useless bushings.
Useless bushings for the bin.
Well, use them for spacers. I'll keep them.
I used to, but I've got that many now. I just think, oh, I can't be bothered.
I suppose we've got hundreds, haven't we?
Oh, yeah. Right. So,
Sticker shite.
quite a small
Yeah. I like blue.
sticker.
My favourite colour.
Yes, it's very nice. Very nice. And then the obligatory
Manuel.
Manuel.
He's opening it up. Look at all them gears, dude. Oh
Yeah.
my god. Yeah, definitely OMG time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How many screws? I'm going to be knackered by the time I've screwed
You're
these.
going to be screwed, Rob.
Yeah. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah.
As usual. Lovely. So, last but not least,
Oh, dude. Look at the size of them.
how big are them tyres?
Are they soft as well? Or are they quite firm?
Quite firm.
Yeah.
I'd say akin to my bruiser.
Oh, right. That's quite firm then, if that's
Yes,
the
they
case.
were quite firm.
He's getting one out. You getting one out? Oh, look at the size of that.
Very nice. Sniff,
Come on,
dude.
give you that over here. Ooh. Oh, hang on, mate, I've got a bit wobbly. Jeez. That's a nice aroma, isn't it?
It is.
Right, then.
Lovely. So, I'm not
So?
going to go into the details
You're not
because,
going into detail.
yeah, I mean,
Bags of stuff, do you want to get them out or no?
we could do.
It's
See,
an unboxing, isn't it?
because we don't know what the suspension's like. We think it's friction.
We do think it's friction. He's got a handful of goodies. Is that a stock motor, mate? Or
It is a stock
torque-tuned?
motor.
Oh, yeah, just your
Yeah,
Mabuchi.
it is Mabuchi
Silver
by the
cap.
looks of it.
Yeah. There you go.
And then bags of metal bits and
I don't think this is focusing on that, Rob, unfortunately.
ball joint things.
There it is now.
Bag for the bin.
Yeah.
We've got parts bag A, which is looks like the diffs.
All the bevel gears, I can see,
Yeah.
so they're all metal. The diffs, guys.
Oh, and some hollow tubes.
Yeah. The ceramic grease.
Yes.
Nice. It's good quality stuff, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know, it's not all plastic, like, you know.
No.
People
Well,
say,
it should
Tamiya
be.
plastic bottle company.
Yeah.
Number one around the world.
Lovely metal dog bones.
Metal dog bones, and it's got metal out drives as well.
I haven't seen them yet.
Haven't seen them yet.
With metal
Sure,
dog
not in
bones. They could be. They could just be hidden.
Yeah, they are. And black things.
Ah, that's why I can't see them. Black. Can't see black.
So yeah, they
but-
are metal
yeah.
guys. Metal out drives and metal wheel shafts.
Cool.
Pretty good.
And that's about it. I think. Yeah. I think we've done it all. Ooh. So, there we have it.
It's always lovely having a new Tamiya to build, isn't it, Rob?
It is,
He's
yes.
destroying the place now.
Yes, yeah, no, that's it. So, well,
Well,
we've done that quick, dude.
we did.
In a one.
In a one.
And, yeah, so, I hope you've enjoyed watching and look forward to seeing you for the build. Probably will be a series, there's that many gears. So, thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.